Hello everyone, welcome back to Software Codes, and this is Khushbaht. So in today's video we will learn about the text form field and how to get the data from our text form field and elevated button and its decoration. We will learn about the parsing as well. So first of all, let me clear all the previous code so you can get a better understanding. So this is our code. It has scaffold and a column, and that's it. So we'll run it, and okay, it has only app bar and a body, and that's it. Okay, so we will add text form field, and this is our text form field. Let's run it. Okay, now you can see that our text form field has been built, but it's not looking good. So let's add some decoration. So we have attribute decoration, and it takes input decoration, and it has further more attributes. So it has hint text. So let's give a hint to our user. Enter first number, and now you can check that it has a hint enter text number. Whenever you will type something, it will be automatically removed, and when you will clear the text form field, it will appear again. So let's add a label num1. So this is our label. You can see num1, and do some more decoration of border. So we have attribute enable border. I like outline input border. So if you like underline input border, you can do the decoration of underline input border, but I like to prefer outline input border. And let's add another attribute borders. So we have another attribute border and outline input border, and that's it. Let's run. Now you can see it has outline, but it's not clearly visible. So let's add some padding, and now you can check that it's an outline of the text form field. And whenever you will click on it, the label will go up here and the hint text will be visible. So let's add some more decoration of radius. Like, okay, so if you want a round corner, so you can use the border radius and border radius dot circular, add a double value, and also add it here. Now you can see it has round corners. It's looking so pretty. And now I want to change the color of the border, so I have another attribute, border side. So it takes border side, and it has another attribute of color. So color and colors dot pink. Basically I don't like pink color, but it will be more visible. So okay, currently our text form field is focused. That's why you are not able to see the color of our text form field, because you have to do the separate decoration for the focused text form field and simple text form field. So whenever you click on the text form field, it become focused. So I will just do focused and copy paste, and that's it. And I like to change the color, so yellow. Color name starts from lowercase alphabet, and now you can see whenever it's focused, it color will be yellow. And to check the difference between colors, I would add another text form field. Now you can see one is pink and one is yellow. Whenever the text form field will be focused, it will be yellow, and the other will be pink. Currently we have two text form field, one for num1 and one for num2. So add another text form field for the result, because we are making calculator. It has label result, and that's it. Let's add yeah, I have to change that as well. Enter second number and num2, and we have to add a button. So elevated button, it has two attributes, on pressed and a child. In child you can add any widget, either icon or text widget or anything. So I have added text. Okay, so I'd like keyboard type text, input type number, because whenever you will click on the text field, it will show you the alphanumeric keyboard, but it's not a good approach. So I have added a keyboard type number, and we have to add the text editing controller. Basically, the text editing controller is used to fetch the data or to access the data from our text form field. So we have three text form fields, and we will copy, paste and paste. One is num1, num2 and result. So we will assign this controller to our controller attribute, controller and num1, that's it. And another controller, controller num2, and that's it. And the third one, controller result, and we are done. It's so easy. Now coming here, what we are gonna do in on pressed, what we are gonna do, we will reset the state of our variable. So we will use set state and result dot text. Basically you can't assign the value to only result, because result is a controller, and to access the text or to change the value of the text, you have to use dot text. And we will assign bracket open and again int dot parse and bracket open and num1 dot text plus int dot parse and num2 dot text. So it will fetch the text from num1 and num2, and we have parse it into int, and we will change it to string, because we are assigning it to text. That's why we have to add the to string. And now let's test it. We have added the value and clicked on add, and we have got our result. So now you can check. So let's do some decoration of our hint text, and we have text style, and it has a color attribute and colors dot pink. Yeah, we'll copy it, and also we will do decoration of our label. So we have label style and copy paste, and we will do decoration in our other text form fields. So here and hint style and paste and label style. Okay, we have two commas and label style and paste. That's it. Now label style and again paste. So now you can check that the color of our label has been changed. So we have added some number. Okay, so it's changing the value. If you want to restrict the user not to change the value of a text form field, so we have another attribute read only and assign true, so the user will not be able to change the value in the text form field. And now you can see that our text form field is focused, but we are not able to get any keyboard, so it's done. Now let's do some decoration of our elevated button. So for this, what we are gonna do, we have style elevated button dot style form and color. So it has a background color, so background color colors dot purple. Yeah, so now you can see that the color of our elevated button has been changed. And if you want to change the size of your elevated button, so you have to wrap that in sized box and change the width of sized box, and that's it. Now you can see that we have changed the size of our elevated button. You can change the color of your text, so we have another attribute foreground color and colors dot yellow, and that's it. So this was all about the decoration and text form field. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.